Good evening to all of you. First of all, I like to acknowledge the presence of members of parliament, members of state legislative assembly, corporate leaders, and such a beautiful audience today. Here also I like to compliment Interview Times for touching the 14 years of its anniversary and also starting this beautiful dialogue actually, where actually we all listen to very, very inspiring stories by different members of the civil society. Somebody is a administrative officer, somebody has done some good work in Dubai, somebody is a construction engineer, and we heard the stories and how it's relevant to the Generation Z. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that Odisha is endowed with lots of resources, including its human resources. But if you don't utilize the resources, we'll fall back. It's heartening to see that Odisha has migrated off in most of our social and economic indicators, thanks to the government, thanks to the policies of the central government in the last 12 to 13 years. The state is getting more and more attention, more and more infrastructure being built in Odisha. And I am always reading successful stories by Odia people in different streams of their life actually. What I saw today, I personally feel that Mr. Divya is doing a fantastic job when you are telling your stories, telling the stories of discussion to a large audience, and that too definitely for the younger generation, in which hand actually the future of the state, the future of the country will lie actually. Here also I request Interview Times, if it's possible, to take this discussion to little bit smaller cities. I'm very happy that he did a Raulkela conclave, but again, I also feel that why not in Barampur, why not in another city, so that let people should understand that how things can come to their level also, the young people who have to be inspired actually, because inspiration is a very, very important word. We all study in schools, colleges, but inspiration is the key thing when we want to achieve a different kind of success actually. The mentorship is very, very important. In my service also, we have been mentored by very successful ambassadors. That is the reason when we go for a posting, my ministry, my president, they have the faith, they have the assurance that my officer has gone there to deliver what India wants actually. I'm very fortunate that I have been posted to Auckland to set up a new office. In the last 1 year, we did the office. And in spite of difficulty in getting staffs due to different reasons, my office has already touched more than 40,000 people in the last 12 months. We have delivered different kinds of services wherever it is required also. I have talked to Ministry of Home Affairs to sort out the issues. The point why I mentioned Auckland, because the way I see this country, a small country of 5.3 million people, has lots of strength. The country is famous in the whole world for primary industries, whether you tell it agriculture, food industries, the dairy sector, the meat sector. I personally believe that I am going to meet the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, after 2 days. I'll be putting up my request that whether we can have more and more tie-up between Odisha and New Zealand in primary industries. I feel that more of our officials, more of our farming community people should come to New Zealand to get trained in the advanced farming, in the dairy sector, in the meat sector, and it can add to the economy. I have also in talk with one university in Hamilton, that is the Waikato University, which is a place for international students to set up a secondary campus in Odisha. Once I'll be back, I'll be discussing further actually. Because we all know that development growth has to go together, and the Gen Z, which are restless, who we cannot stop actually, and where information is the information they can get within 1 second or microseconds, I can tell. So we have to also deliver lots of positive things for their future actually. They are more interested that what the future holds for them. As we understand, one of the speakers told that some kind of changes which are happening in the neighboring countries by the young people. So we also wish that in India actually, how we can accelerate our development prospects for all the states, including Odisha. And here, I again like to compliment Divya, I think for his wonderful work and his teams for bringing all this important information to the public, to the larger public of Bhubaneswar, and to our entrepreneur families, to the leaders from the corporate world. And I wish all the success to this event. Thank you, all of you.